A winter wonderland of holiday houses. Students at H.E. McCracken Middle School took part in a cardboard gingerbread house contest, showcasing their artistic skills and their love for reading.
I love getting students excited about reading. I love tying that in with their artistic, creative talents. So this is a way to bring literacy to life for a lot of students and get them involved and showcase their talent to our school.
The school held a similar contest in October, asking students to build spooky houses for Halloween. The kids had so much fun using their engineering, design, and art skills, they wanted to do it again.
Our theme this year was about Storybook Village, so I came up with this idea as a response to our previous project on the scary houses. The students really enjoyed that and got very involved in it, and several of them wanted to create another house, so I designed the idea of Storybook Village.
Students could build their houses out of cardboard or food items.
As soon as I had heard about the contest, I knew for a fact that I was going to use my Cinderella pop-up book that I've had for forever, because once I heard the theme Storybook Village, I knew that I should use a really, artistic base for it. And I love expressing my creativity using fun ways.
If you look on this side, it says Curiouser and Curiouser from Alice in Wonderland, as in the book and the movie. And if you see this, I can get inspiration of Alice in Wonderland from the detail in red. So those are supposed to be roses, in my opinion. And follow the yellow brick road. Basically, the road follows to the gingerbread house of Hansel and Gretel. And I was thinking of a trail for this, for being the Frosty the Snowman. And you would always know that in a storybook, people would always sing. So that's why the chorus is there. And I want to do this because I like to show my artistic side of myself.
All the houses will now be judged, and the winners will be invited to a special holiday brunch. At H.E. McCracken Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.